looking at my riding. Is it Fujin? Yeah. Fujin kit for my race car. Which one is it?
That's a good question.
Fujin from Bumper.
Wait, is that? No, that's race line. We're getting there, man. We're getting there. This Fujin skirt.
How can you tell?
Because I've done this so many times.
Well, the same as race line.
Fujin, yeah, Fujin front bumper.
I don't have under panel, yeah. We didn't get.
We do. Where's the other panel? This is you right. Wow. Front, rear and side. Is it two? Oh, this 190, that's one. Here's his two.
What's different?
It's the same thing.
Okay. Thank you.
何それは
Under panel. バンパーの下につくやつ。
あ
バンパーとサイドと。これで complete。
いっぱいありすぎて全然違いがわからん
これがリア、それがフロント。
フロント、サイド、
で、これがこれの
全部のアンダーパネル。
はい、これを黒い車につける。黒い車。
What are you putting that on, race car?
黒の240。
You're gonna put your D-Max kit on your...
180. That's I want to paint that.
No, you're gonna fix it and paint it?
Yeah.
Smart. So you can break this one, yeah? That's $3,000.
My plan is to put.
Switch kits. That's all he's doing. He's switching kits.
I got Fujin kit and putting it on my drift car over here. And the D-Max it was on here, putting it on 180, and I gotta paint it Ferrari red. I think this is first time Josh worked on my car.
Shut up. We worked on that car for days, bro.
Yeah, true.
Does this stuff come off like when I wash it, or do I scrape it off too?
No, there's glue off.
Oh, so that's I'll just leave it then.
Yeah, leave it.
What's up with our 180s coming with these weird keys? You should see the key I got for my 180.
Last night, me and Josh installed a Fujin kit on my drift car, 240, but new Fujin bumper, side skirt, and rear bumper is mounted. But I still have to install an under panel for this. today I gonna change rear coilovers. Change the front brand new D-Max coil, but I haven't changed the rear yet. Still has PBM coil. So dirty from drifting yesterday. Holy moly. The road I was driving was so sandy. There's sand everywhere. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna put cars on this concrete and change the rear coil real quick. New coils in. Put Josh's new sticker along with upside down and Andy Kyosozo and my no time sticker and his brand new manga style sticker. D-Max coil. Let's see how it feels. Nothing wrong with it, but wanted to try out. Well, I always liked D-Max, so I had to cop it. This this slope last night with the wood and bricks it was laying around. Oh, you have a body kit off. I was gonna see if your low car can make this after. Jordan's gonna wash his 240. I'm about to wash gray GTR. Damn, you don't even need to paint. It looks good.